Hello traders. Today we have an exciting trade recap to share with you. In this video, I'm going to talk about trend trading and show how I have made a handsome profit of $3,650. Now, before we dive into the trade details, let's talk about trend trading. It's all about identifying and riding the momentum of stock direction, right? So by mastering this art, you can maximize your profits while minimizing the risk. To identify the trend, utilize technical analysis too. Specifically, look for higher highs and then higher lows in the uptrend and lower highs and lower lows in the downtrend. These patterns help us determine the overall market trend. Here I am showing the chart for today's uh, market, and I trade Nasdaq under evening features. And the chart what I'm showing here is a Hikinashi view for 5 minutes and then 1 minute. This is a 5-minute chart. This is a 1-minute chart. Okay, it's for today's date. And mostly I start at 8:15 for live streaming, and then maybe open the trades after 5-10 minutes of market opens regular time frames. So 8:40 somewhere around, and then I kind of try to identify the trends based on the indicators that I use and then jump into it. And if you see on the 5 minutes, 8:30, when the market opens, it was pretty much on a range trade. So let me maximize this. You would see that it's pretty much on the range trade. It's very difficult to trade here. I was just watching the market during this time and not taking any position up until this candle gets closed. Until I pass out this, and I did not take any trades. Okay, so after this nice upside momentum came in. Pretty much trade only on the long side. So for me, long trades are important. And pretty much kind of saw this upside momentum play and then jumped onto this trend. So if you see the indicators, this is a 5-minute view and more detailed and very income. You can find it in the 1 minute. If you see this is the consolidation. This is a range trade, whatever that it is happening, it's over here. When I see this moving average on the upside, it's broken and there is no limit here, I jumped onto this trade. And then I was keep the trade going on until I see kind of the limitations over here. The first stop for me is 531, and then once I exited at 531 and then kind of re-entered into the trade, when I see that inside momentums are keep on kind of coming to play, this nice little support of the moving average at the bottom for upside. And this entire trend gave me $3,650 profit. And you can go to the channel's live section where you can see all the archives of the past days trading, even today's trading, how the $3,650 is made. And along with that, I also trade in the stones, and then those also kind of gave me some nice profit. I don't trade pretty much on the downside, but I do wait for an upside to come into play by looking at the long time frame analysis. For example, if you see this here, there is one, but it did not materialize as expected, and there is one this kind of materialized as expected, where price moving from 493 to 511. This kind of came with at least $20 profit here. $20 in the sense like one contract, it is a $400. Okay, so that it's pretty visible over here at the 130. People see 130. It's pretty much visible here where you jump onto the trade at 8:45 and then going until 8:11 and then exit before this moving average gets broken. Okay, so these are all based on understanding the long time frame as well as working with the 1 minute time frame for your entry exits. Hope this video kind of gives you some insights about how I trade and what indicators that are used and then how the entry exits are made. you want to learn more information about this, and then join the live trading that's happening every day from 8:15 onwards. Thank you for watching this trade recap, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated with our latest trading insights strategies. Until next time, happy trading.